In this video I'm going to share with you how to replace remote control battery on Bandit Intimidator wood chippers, and this is Bandit XP12, and how to make your battery last longer and wood chip quite a bit at the temperature below freezing. And guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. And let's get started. We have a remote control radio unit made by KarTech, and Bandit uses this type of remote controls. And if battery is not fresh, relatively old, battery will get flat faster and leave you stranded, and not an option. Okay, let's remove that belt, and at around the bottom we have 6 screws to remove. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put them down in the comment section below under the video. Let's remove those screws, and we need a new battery. New battery, that's the way to go. And this battery started getting weak in the last few months, and with the cold weather it just only got worse. Okay, I removed the front guard, and there's another screw to remove, and let's open the remote control radio module carefully. And as you can see, we have a battery. That blue cylindric shape part is our battery, and to me seems like it's original. I have never replaced the battery on this remote, and it just was fine. And now time to put a new one. Let's unplug the electrical connector. Just in a minute I will show you all information you need for what kind of battery to find for replacement. As you can see, it was installed like that, and there's specs. It's lithium-ion 3.7 volts, 2600 milliamps, and I got same one from the local battery shop. They transferred that wire for me, and like that, same thing, better one. And I'm going to improve my remote controller, and it will last longer and let us chip longer during the cold weather. Let's connect our wires, and battery will go in the same spot. But before we'll put everything together, we'll do a little bit of insulation, just fiberglass, a little bit. I will keep battery warm, and battery will last longer, because when it's cold, chemical reactions, they slow down. I wrap my battery with a fiberglass insulation, and just let's go and wrap the electrical tape to keep it all in place. Guys, simply that. If it will help at least one person, that's fantastic. And yeah, Bandit chippers, they're pretty good. VERMEER, they're fine. They're all good as well. They have the pros and cons. And if you have any questions, just drop them down in the comment section below, and support this video with your like. And yeah, something like that. Okay, my battery is ready to go back in place. Bandit remote control module is assembled. Now I'm going to plug it in and charge it. Make sure battery is charged up to 100%, and it will be good to go. Thank you so much for your time watching this video. If it's helpful, yeah guys, thumbs up will help video to get more views. And see you soon. Take care, and bye bye.